Beautiful water direct island home with new seawall, boat dock, 14,000 pounds lift, and jet ski lift. The open floor plan allows for an abundance of natural light. Spectacular 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus powder room, 2-car garage comes turnkey furnished including the boat and jet ski. Home has an updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite, fireplace, central vac, family room, stained and etched glass windows in the bathroom, side-loading garage and circular driveway. The house was painted in 2014, new roof in 2019, Zoysia grass and landscaping in 2021, new seawall 2021, pool/deck resurfaced 2019. Over $300,000 in upgrades and improvements.